coming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale.
Welcome back. It's my channel and you're here, I'm here. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. Welcome back. We're cool, we're chilling, we're doing a wig review. This adorable cutie that I put it in this little cute updo is from the wig company. This is New Rhythm. There is a review up on this. There's a tons of stuff on my Instagram about this, and so check it out. Today I'm literally doing just going a completely different direction, and we are going to talk about Harlem 125. You know I love Harlem 125. We are doing Miss FLS02, and I have her in the color 1B. I don't know that I've ever done a 1B wig, so this is crazy. You know, we're just getting Looney Tunes here, all right? This is a 4x4 parting, which means it's a free parting. You can part it any way your little heart desires. Really complement what you're trying to achieve. She comes in only like 4 or 5 colors, actually. These are the colors that she comes in. It's a soft, elaborate, natural. She has Swiss lace, hexagon-shaped holes. She's heat safe up to 400 degrees. I scooped this chick up. Where did I scoop her up from? I scooped her up from Sam's Beauty for just $15.99. So let's get her. Okay, this is her. Well, the curls on here are so bouncy and cute. She's got that 4x4 parting, so it's sort of like that natural scalp. She's got 2 combs set wide in the front. This is that really nice lace, comfortable parting. She has a comb in the back, adjustable straps. I feel like Harlem 125 is our larger wig cap, so I'm going to tighten her just a little bit. So let's get this chick off and then see what this other chick is talking about. Okay, I don't hate her in terms of the color. The wig cap is... The wig cap's interesting, okay? So I feel like it's a large wig cap in terms of like the roominess of it. However, I feel like this happened in Motown Tress wig. I think it was Farrah and maybe one other one, where the wig cap though from here to here seems small. So I'm definitely gonna have to use the combs. Oh, I don't think I'm gonna have to do much. I'm loving this already, which I didn't think I would because I don't like super dark and I don't usually like curly. Oh my gosh, I don't think this is gonna take but a second to get together, but let me get her together.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here. To me.
Okay, so I actually don't want to mess with it anymore because like these curls are so beautiful and I don't want to like mess with them too much to like ruin the curl. Like I said, the only con so far, I love the color, I love the curl. This reminds me of a human hair wig that I reviewed once. You can see, look it up, it's the only human hair wig that I've reviewed thus to date. But I don't know, there's the fullness. It's just so pretty. I like the free parting where you can kind of do whatever. I just don't want to mess with it too much and sort of ruin more of the like natural curled feel it has to it. Yes. I kind of set it just slightly like this. Curly, she's about 20 inches. Very full. Oh, my nail keeps getting caught. She's sort of a silky, silky texture. It's very full. I'm loving this wig, and I did not think I was going to. Let's look at her from the back. Oh yeah, look at how pretty that is. I like this more than the human hair wig. I know people love human hair or whatever, but this was $15.99 and that was like 120 something. So it's like really, I would mess with it more and train it a little bit more. I want to make sure that I'm going to keep this wig, but I probably am actually. So I don't want to mess with it too much if I was not going to keep it, but I do feel like I'm going to. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, what do you guys think? Like, do you like this wig? Do you like the fullness, the color, the texture? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? I'm impressed. I always, listen, I am always into Harlem 125. I feel like you could do a cute little, for sure. I have some of the lace, like this needs to be clipped back to my hairline, but sometimes I get lazy and don't want to do that because I don't really care if people see the lace, but I know some people do care. Before I give you my final thoughts, this is future Tia. Actually, it's next day Tia. And I put this wig up in this cute little style. And I often forget to film or I don't style it on the camera. So I've been trying to add stuff like this in. So I will show you how I got the wig to look like this. And then I will put in my final thoughts. All right. Bye. I mean, well, not bye, but like, let's go. I'll show you what. Oh. Let's just get to the clips.
Can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. Still, every time, whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale.
I'm always loving Harlem 125. I don't feel like they get enough attention. This is what I have for you today. Let me know what you think, if you like this wig. If you have this wig or if you have it in another color, please put that down below. If there's another Harlem 125 wig that you would like me to review, also put that down below. If there's another curly wig you'd like me to review, put that down below as well. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!